want to show you how to play Diana by Anka. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. We're in the key of G, but you'll start on a B. B, 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 G, A, G, B, A. And then it comes right in with the vocal on a B right here. Now on the left hand, you're going to have on the introduction G, D, G, open fifth. So you go E, open fifth, B and E. So G, D, G, right together. So you go E. That B comes after the E, and then G, A, G. The C, then you go to a C, G, C, open fifth. So you play the G, D, G, you'll play the D, G twice. Then you'll play the B, E once. Then the C, the G, C twice, and the D, A, D twice. So we go slowly and you can see it. And then we're into the melody. So let's get the melody next, and before we do, I'll just show you that chord progression all the way through is G, E minor, C, D, and all I'm going to do in the left hand is just open fifths. So G, D, E, B, C, G, D, A, most of the way through. When we get to the interludes, then we'll go back to this. The rest of the time we're just going to do open fifths in the left hand. Make it easy, simple. And it's just a rock progression, the classic rock progression. 1 in G, 6 chord, 4 chord, 5 chord. So it just goes through that sequence. G, E minor, C, D. Now the melody is B, 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 C, 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 D, C, B, A, B, 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 C, 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 D, C, B, A, D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, G, 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 E, E, D, F sharp, A, G. And then we go right back to the introduction sounding thing for a when we get to oh please stay by me. You've got the G. Then right after this Diana, that F sharp A G, we go right up to this B. B, 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 G, A, G, B, A, just like the introduction. So now let's put it together. Let's play the introduction and go right into the vocals. I'll play it slowly. Pause just for a second while your right hand goes up. Diana, then the B hits right with the D and the G. So, and then what I do right there is I just hold it once so that it doesn't mess you up. So you hit the G and the D, G once, then go to E. Same thing once, then C, G. Then go to the doubles right there. It makes it simpler. Then we're back into the second verse. It's the same thing with just a couple of melodic changes. couple of melodic changes right there. That's the same. Now that one's different. B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B, A, G, C, C, C. Get to the end of that interlude, we go right into the bridge section with, and we do two hands, G, F, E, D, C. Then we're going to have a C chord, G, C, E, and then a C minor chord, G, C, E flat, and then a G chord, G, B, D. To get that, you're gonna, when you come out of that, you're gonna go G, F, E, D, C. So in the left hand, it's just gonna be thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the right hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you, but your right hand has to be ready to go to that chord. And then you move to the G in the left hand. Does it again. And at the end of that bridge, you got D, D, D and A in the left hand. So I'm going to slow that down so you can see. D, D, D and A, D, D, D and A, D, C. So it goes pretty fast there, but all that everything's going to be D in the right hand except for this little C that's thrown in there. D, 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 C, D, 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 A, B, and then you go right into the third verse. So you get an and then only you. So D, B, A, B, 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 A, B goes right into the third verse right there. Let's go slowly there from the interlude into the bridge. Get you in there, but it does take a little practice to get that up to tempo, going into that third verse, all the way into the third verse with the. Now let's do it up to tempo so that you can hear it up to tempo. Once you get into the third verse, it's the same with just a couple of minor variations again on the thing. The one is the. There's just a little pickup into that third verse. A little syncopation in there as he changes the melody a little bit. And then here he changes again with a little bit of syncopation. You go D, 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 E, E, E. Now what I'm going to do here to write a tag ending on that, because what they do in the what he does in the original is he just kind of fades it out with "Oh please Diana, oh please Diana." So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go oh, please. Oh, please, Diana. So I'm going to kind of pretend that, and then I'll put the tag ending on it with the... chord that rolls there. So the way it'll go down is from the oh please with now go up to a D, hit that, and then just a turn, and then right back to the and then roll the G chord, G, D, G, B, D, G. Now what I'm doing there is, so D, D, E, F sharp, E, E, D, D. Then I finish out with Diana, only not down here, but right here, F sharp, A, G, and then right back to... There you have it, Diana by Anka. I hope you enjoy it.